Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix Microsoft something went wrong 1200 error, then let's look at the solution. So this normally happens with people who use the Outlook web app OVA. And yes, the fix is we have to change a few things in the registry. So for that we open the registry editor, click on it. Yes, we'll go to H key current user, it's expanded already. Look for software, expand it. In software we'll look for Microsoft, here it is, expand it. And in this we will look for Office, expand it. In Office look for 16.0, here it is, expand it. In 16.0 we will look for Common, expand it. In Common we will look for Identity, here it is, Identity. So what we need to do is delete this folder. Right click and press delete. Are you sure you want to permanently delete? Yes sir. And that's it. Restart the computer and it should clear the problem. Another thing you would like to do before restarting the computer is you would like to delete the cache and cookies. So this is a optional step, but it's better if you do it. Just go to history, right? And we'll go to delete browsing data. Go for all time. And this is same across all browsers. If you're using Chrome or Opera, you name it, all the browsers, the steps are almost the same. So all time, browsing history, download history, cookies, cache, make sure everything is checked, clear now. Restart the computer and this message should disappear. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.